WhatsApp broadcast is powerful. One message, hundreds of people, each gets it like a personal chat. But if you're doing it the basic way, you're leaving a lot on the table. You hit send and then nothing. Did they get it? Did they read it? Who replied? Who ignored? You're basically sending messages into the void and hoping for the best. With Eazybe, you actually see what happens. Sent, delivered, read, failed, real numbers. Plus, you can segment contacts with labels. So your VIP customers get one message, new leads get another. No more blasting everyone with the same thing. Create templates once, reuse forever. Drop in names, language, category, template type, and add your message. Also choose an add button call to action quick reply. Personalized at scale. Schedule sends for the perfect time. Your broadcast game goes from amateur to professional. And when people reply, every conversation tracked. Sync to your CRM automatically. The broadcast starts the conversation. Eazybe makes sure you don't lose it. WhatsApp broadcast shouldn't be guesswork. Know what's landing, who's engaging, and turn those replies into customers. Try it free with Eazybe. You'll feel the difference from day one. WhatsApp Sales Intelligence, delivered to your CRM.